Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx I Love Diamonds gift set. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the I Love Diamonds gift set. You can surprise your partner with this luxurious gift-filled set filled with fun toys. This 6-piece set has a diamond theme and the vibrators are decorated with shiny rhinestones. The set is suitable for beginners and contains toys for couples. The set consists of metal handcuffs with rhinestones. These are really sexy to use and you can tie your partner up. These are adjustable and also come with keys as well. A satin eye mask which is silky, soft and smooth and has an elastic backing for the perfect fit. A feather tickler which heightens your sensations during use. The feathers are soft and smooth and will feel really stimulating. A vibrating cock ring which is stretchy for the perfect fit. To turn on the vibrations, simply switch the button down. And to turn off, simply push back up. And it's off. It's a soft silicone, so it will feel really amazing on the skin. We also have a mini vibrator decorated with rhinestones. Now batteries are required and batteries are not included. You require one AA for this vibrator. To turn on the vibrations, simply twist the base and it's on. To have more intense vibrations, twist the dial all the way around and determine how intense you want to go. To turn off, twist the base all the way back around and it's now off. And last but not least, a G-spot vibrator with a slight curve to effortlessly reach your G-spot. Decorated with rhinestones, batteries are not included and you require 2 AA batteries. To turn on, use the twist base dial at the bottom. And to have more intense vibrations, simply twist the dial and see how far you're willing to go. To turn off, twist at the base and it's now off. Perfect for beginners and couples looking for something new and exciting. And that is the LoveBoxxx I Love Diamonds gift set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.